Hi, this is Tony, the creator of Paul Biotics. In our ongoing search for good information to pass along to pet lovers everywhere, and especially our Paul Biotics customers, we came across this white paper that was written by a company called Origin or Champion Pet Foods up in Canada. And the first section gets into the anatomy of carnivores, which we thought was really interesting. Like wolves and lions, dogs and cats are opportunistic carnivores that thrive on diets that are almost exclusively meat-based with very few carbohydrates. Important statement there. Herbivores like cows and sheep actually have long digestive tracts that are designed to ferment and process vegetation. They've got flat molars to grind grasses, and they're built for grazing. They also have the ability to break down cellulose, which is found in plant materials, and they depend on vegetation for complete nutrition. In comparison to us as omnivores, we have medium-length digestive tracts, and we have the ability to digest vegetation and animal proteins. We've got flat molars and sharp teeth that are developed for some grinding but also some tearing. We've got the ability to eat either plants or animal proteins, but most often we need both categories of food for complete nutrition. Now, getting into how carnivores, dogs and cats, are built. They have short, simple digestive tracts, and it's designed for digesting animal proteins and fat. They have sharp, blade-shaped molars that are designed for slicing, rather than flat grinding molars designed for grinding. Their jaws cannot move sideways, unlike herbivores and omnivores. They're hinged to open widely to swallow large chunks of whole meat. So the bottom line is carnivores are evolved to eat meat. Some other considerations that you may not be aware of is carnivores do not have digestive enzymes in their saliva. We have amylase in our saliva, which helps to begin to break down complex carbohydrates. Side note, in our Paul Biotics formula, we actually do have amylase, which does help the dogs and cats absorb more of the nutrients out of their food. Talking about their digestive capability, the short digestive tract is only 1/3 the length of ours. Okay? They also have a higher concentration of hydrochloric acid in the stomach to break down those proteins. So in conclusion, dogs and cats evolved to eat food that is meat or amino acid based. The gastrointestinal tract of cats and dogs, which is central to health and wellness, is specialized to a largely carnivorous diet. And the last point is the adaptation of cats and dogs to a low carbohydrate diet is evident in the structure of their teeth and jaws, and the lack of amylase and other digestive enzymes that break down starch. So that's a very good kind of intro into the biological considerations of how dogs and cats consume food and process food. So in the next section, we're going to get into the dietary needs of dogs and cats. So now you've got an understanding of how they function, and we're going to get into what they need to survive and thrive. So hopefully this was good information, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.